everyone, it's Jordan. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you my Halloween bedroom tour. So let's start over here. I've got my jewelry box right there, and I picked up this lantern a few years ago, I think at 99-cent store. And so I've just got a bunch of stuff all over the room. There's a lot of Dollar Tree things going on in here. I love how my wall turned out. This is Dollar Tree contact paper that I put up on my wall. And almost everything on this wall right here is from Dollar Tree. That's from the Dollar Tree Plus section up there. And then all of these signs, most of the signs up in the room are all Dollar Tree. This little wreath hanger, that's also Dollar Tree. And then this wreath, I already had, I doctored it up though a little bit so that it would go with my Halloween tree right there. And the garlands that I made that are also in the room. I wanted everything to be really cohesive. So like I've got my garland right here on my bedroom, on my bed. It's the same as the garland above the window, and I put pieces of the garland in the tree also, so everything would match and go together. But back to the wall. More Dollar Tree stuff, including these shelves. They are also from Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree Plus. And I've got more wall hangings. Those butterflies that are also all throughout my room, those are from a single pack from Dollar Tree. And then I've got my tree right here. This is from the Dollar Tree Plus section. And then there's a bunch of ornaments on here from Dollar Tree and other various places. And then moving along, the garland up here, I made this from a couple of different garland pieces that I strung together and then added in faux florals and ornaments and fake spiders. A lot of those things are also from Dollar Tree. And then over here, more Dollar Tree signs, including this Frankenstein Monsters sign. This was a Dollar Tree blank. Maybe you've seen it. I made this. So I'll be doing a video on how I made it. You see how the eyes move? It's so much fun, and I love how much it creeps my kids out in a good way. They love it. And then more Dollar Tree stuff. This is a Dollar Tree cloche with another butterfly out of that pack. This is something new this year that I picked up from, I don't think that they've had it at Dollar Tree before. I think that's new. And then I've got these branches over here that are lit up. It looks really spooky at night. Another Dollar Tree sign. This one's new this year, I think. I haven't seen that one before either. And then I added a bow with a fake spider up there. This bowl is also from Dollar Tree. It's from the Dollar Tree Plus section, so I just filled it with faux florals from Dollar Tree. And then I have this. Usually I put my jewelry in there at night. So then back up to the headboard with my garland. For this one, I strung in. This is a lighted garland that I picked up from Dollar Tree, also from the Plus section. I think this was $5. And then I have like a little command hook back there that I can hang the battery pack from, so it's easy to access to turn on and off. And then I've got my pillows, one here and a blanket. So these pillows, I was gonna make pillowcases, but with this fabric, this black and orange fabric, because I've got my regular pillows that I use under there, that I got lazy, so I just folded the fabric like that, and I like the way it looks. I think I'm not going to bother making the pillowcases anymore. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then this bear goes perfect with the decor for this room. I actually got that from my 6th grade teacher, made that, and I won it back in 6th grade, and I've had it all this time. I love it. Then back over here, some more Dollar Tree signs up in the room. I think this one is new this year. I haven't seen that before, or this one, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm in Dollar Tree all the time, so I typically can tell when something's new. And then I put together this cloche. This is from Dollar Tree from years past, and then some candlesticks, a glass pumpkin. I don't remember where I got that from. And then over here, just more Halloween things. I think this lantern's from the Dollar Tree Plus section. And then I am in love with this guy. This is new this year. I picked it up from Home Goods. And so I love to sit up here with a pot of tea and read some books. So yeah, that's what's going on in here. I thought you would enjoy seeing this. I really love this space so much. I'm kind of tempted to just leave my room like this the whole year, but of course I will be changing it out. So more Halloween content to come your way soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.